All right, everything's in the boat. Well, if you could call this a boat. This is an ocean kayak too, so you see I'm gonna have water in here with me all day. And we're off. Going up river too against the current, really super easy.